Our Chinese wok for propane. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, have a length of 17.5 inches, a depth of 20.5 inches, and the overall height, we have 32 inches tall. The radius of the wok, we have 16.5 inches, and the height, we have 3 inches. Included will be the gas regulator, along with the operation manual. And again, this Chinese wok can be used for propane. Right below the Chinese wok will be your jet burners. Coming to the front will be the operation valve. And right below will be the drip pan. The measurements for the drip pan will include 15.5 inches by 19 inches in depth, with a thickness of 1 inch. Drip pan can be removed and inserted back onto the track. Coming to the side of the Chinese wok, we have our ETL certification along with the BTU information for this Chinese wok. Coming to the back will be the gas pipe for connection. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.